Hey guys, this is Ella and I'm gonna show you how this might be happen. If you are interested, then this video is for you. So in the first view, it's not as easy as you think, but yes it is. The only thing that you need to do is to make several layers. First of all, you have to draw this half, and after that, in top of all the layers, you have to put the complete fruit. Then when you go and choose the top layer and push the eraser, when you erase, you can find the inside layer. So that's it, and it was super easy in it. Please write me in comment below what kind of fruit do you think it might be better than orange. Thank you for watching.